Welcome to today's Wicked Lick of the Day. Okay, let's see if you can recognize this song, all right? So I'm going to play this and see if you know this, and then we'll talk about it a little bit, okay? Here we go. So, Lenny Kravitz, right? Always on the run. It's a really fun, little funky groove to play, all right? So remember, if you go to igpa.org/wickedlick, igpa.org/wickedlick/25. This is number 25, okay? So it's Lenny Kravitz. It's always on the run. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to just learn this little riff here, and I'm going to give you some ideas of, how you doing, buddy? Of how you can play it so it's comfortable for you. So let's just start off with this idea of the... Now what I do right there is I'm going to play 0 on the 6th string, and then I'm going to play 7 on the 5th string with my 3rd finger. And then I'm going to go to the 5th fret of the 5th string, and I'm going to slide back 1 to 4. Now some people like to do it as a pull-off, and that's okay too. So I just slide back 1, and then I'm going to pluck the 6th string after that. And then I'm going to go back to the 5 again. Okay? Now sometimes instead of doing the 0, I might just play a scratch in there. Just add that in. So again, whatever's comfortable for you, that's the most important thing. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the 5th fret of the 4th string. We're going to do a pull off from 5 to 0. And then we're going to go to the 0 of the 6th string. And then we're going to go to the 7th fret of the 5th string. So we have... And then we're going to do that same first riff. And then we're going to do this. And right there what we're going to do is we're going to go to the 5th fret of the 5th string with our pinky. We're going to go to the 2nd fret of the 5th string. And we're going to play that note twice. And we're going to do a pull-off. And then we're going to go to the 3rd fret of the 6th string, play that. And then we're going to do a pull-off. And then we're going to go to the 4th string. We're going to do a 0 to 2 as a hammer-on. So you have... Now, what I would suggest for you, if you're just learning how to do this, you've never played this before, don't worry about all the zeros. Add those in later. Then you can decide whether or not you actually want them to be zeros or whether you just want to do them as scratches. You know, so you might just start by going, do the first 0. And it's going to sound a little empty in the beginning, but if you start with just building that framework, then start adding in zeros as needed, because it's really just a groove like most songs are. Then Once you get that, then start adding in your zeros or your scratches or whatever it is that you'd like to add in. You know, that's the thing about any of this kind of funky music, whether it's Stevie Ray Vaughan or, you know, whoever it might be, Joe Bonamassa, or in this case, of course, Lenny Kravitz, is getting this thing going. And that's how I'd normally play it, is I'd add more of that sort of bluesy funk thing into the groove. You know, so it's not as stiff as going, you know, that sort of thing. You try and grab that groove over the top. And I know it's not easy, but this is a great song for you to start practicing and see how this goes for you. And again, visit igpa.org/wickedlick/25 for the tab, for the jam track, all that sort of thing. And if you get a chance, please like this, please share this video. Let's keep trying to grow these Wicked Lick of the Days, and I need your help to be able to do that. And remember, head over to guitarzoom.com and see some of the products that we've got to offer. And see if there's something that might interest you, something that I can help you with in terms of your guitar journey. So take care, everybody, and I'll speak to you soon. Hi there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I certainly hope that it helped you a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a huge favor and either like it, subscribe to the channel, share it, or comment on it. Okay, that's going to help us out enormously. And then we can keep in contact with you when we have new material that comes out. And if you enjoyed the video, we've got some other videos over here that you can watch that might be able to help you on your guitar journey as well. And if you look up on the top there, you're going to see there's a little eye up there. If you click on that, we are going to be giving you a free gift just to say thank you for watching the video. And then if you'd like to follow us on social media, you can use the term @guitarzoom and you can find us there. All right? So take care, keep practicing, and have a great day.